Top story that we are following here on India Today, coming in from the national capital. It's Delhi government that has moved the Supreme Court over 2018 old vehicle bans order. Delhi government is now seeking a review of the 2018 order. Delhi government said the ban was based on emissions. Ban shouldn't be based on vehicles' age. My colleague Anisha Mathur is now joining me on the story. Anisha, is it surprising that the Delhi government has moved Supreme Court with regards to the 2018 old vehicles ban order?
Well, Ashara, this issue has been a bone of contention for the last several weeks, especially since the government was directed to start implementing this order. Now, on Monday, we'll see what's the stand of how the Supreme Court takes up this matter, because not just the Delhi government, but two private citizens of Delhi have also moved a similar petition, saying that the ban on the 10-year-old diesel vehicles and 15-year-old petrol vehicles was passed as an emergency measure when BS4 emission standards were in force, and that migration to BS6 had not started. Now what the stand the Delhi government is taking is that now BS6 vehicles have come in, that the emission norms are much stricter and that emission standards are much stricter. So therefore, a blanket ban solely on the age of a vehicle is not correct. It is also not tenable. So what the Delhi government is saying, that a comprehensive policy is needed for to look into vehicle fitness levels based on emissions rather than a blanket ban, and therefore the Delhi government has suggested that the Supreme Court allow them to take this issue of emission standards and vehicle fitness. The high-powered committee, an expert committee could be constituted to look into this matter, and because the ban as is being implemented, the ban on older vehicles, that is creating a lot of problems for the citizens of Delhi. So they said that impact analysis, cost-benefit studies, all of these need to be taken. Just that detailed directive to simply remove the vehicles purely on the basis of age disproportionately affects middle-class citizens whose vehicles are less used. It also affects older persons. It also negatively affects the market. All of these arguments have been made in this application filed by the Delhi government, which is now seeking a comprehensive study on the feasibility and fairness of these restrictions and whether there can be what the emission standards could be. We'll see what happens on this on Monday now.
Thank you, Anisha, giving us all those details. We'll have to wait and watch what happens. On Monday, Delhi government is seeking a review of the 2018 order.